Annyeonghaseyo! Good morning mga ka-sweetness. Good morning mga ka-break time. And once again, nandito na naman po si Kuya Oli. Alam nyo po, for 3 years, hindi po ako nag-church because of my health issues. And up to now, palagi lang ako nasa bahay after my dialysis. The only time that I go out is pag may importante talaga akong pupuntahan. Kasi bawal po sa akin magkasakit, madali kasi ako magkaroon ng infection. So nag-iingat po tayo. But today is a Sunday and I know that most of you are just watching through online. But I just want to encourage you, sabi po dito sa Bible, and let us not neglect our meeting together as some people do, but encourage one another, especially now that the day of His return is drawing near. Ano po ang sinasabi dito? When we say meeting together, saan po ba tayo nagmi-meet? Diba? Sa simbahan. So, if you have the time at kaya nyo pang pumunta sa church instead of watching online, I encourage you to go to your own churches. Kung nagsisimba ka sa Catholic, kung nagsisimba ka sa Christian, kung nagsisimba ka sa Muslim, I encourage you to meet together. Not only meeting, ang sabi dito, we have to encourage one another. So when we go to the church, remember, let's put on our hat to encourage people, not to make chismis, ha? Annyeonghaseyo! Kaya, again, today is church day. Remember, it is to honor our God. And once again, God bless you. This is Kuya Oli saying, punta na sa church, mga ka-break time. Love you all. God bless. Amen.